Hi there.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well. Thanks for asking.
That's nice to hear.
By the way, my name is Rowan. What's your name?
Nice to meet you, Rowan. I'm Elsie.
Nice to meet you too, Elsie.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is. I'm new here.
Welcome. Don't worry, everyone is friendly.
So, where are you from?
I'm from a small town near the city. What about you?
I'm from another state.
Oh, really? How long have you been here?
Only 2 days.
That's very new.
Yes, I'm still learning about this place.
If you need help, you can ask me.
Thank you. That's very kind of you.
The weather is nice today, isn't it?
Yes, it's sunny but not too hot.
I like this kind of weather.
Me too. It makes me feel energetic.
Yesterday it was raining.
Really? I missed that.
Yes, it rained in the evening.
What do you usually do in the morning?
I wake up at 6 a.m., then I make coffee.
Do you exercise?
Sometimes, not every day.
Same here. I try, but I'm lazy.
At least you're honest.
What time do you go to work?
Around 9 a.m.
That's a good schedule.
Have you had breakfast?
Yes, I had toast and eggs.
Sounds good.
What did you eat?
Just fruit and coffee.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, most of the time.
I'm still learning how to cook.
It's easy. Start with simple dishes.
What do you do?
I work in an office. What about you?
I'm a student.
What are you studying?
Business management.
That's interesting.
I hope so.
Do you like it?
Yes, but sometimes it's difficult. Excuse me, can I ask you something?
Of course.
Could you help me with this?
Sure, no problem.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I really appreciate it.
Anytime.
Excuse me, do you know where the bank is?
Yes, it's near the supermarket.
Is it far from here?
No, it's just 5 minutes away.
Should I walk straight?
Yes, go straight and turn left.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Would you like to get coffee later?
Yes, that sounds good.
What time are you free?
Around 5 p.m.
Perfect. Let's meet then.
See you at 5. It was nice talking to you today.
Yes, I enjoyed our conversation.
You're very easy to talk to.
Thank you. You too.
I hope we can talk again tomorrow.
Of course.
All right, I have to go now.
Okay. Take care.
You too. Goodbye.
Bye. See you soon.